Equity under duress, invoking remedy without consent. Did you agree to that license, that debt, or that court order? If the answer came under pressure, you didn't consent, you complied. But in Admiralty, that difference matters. Even when individuals are coerced into contracts, equity can be invoked as a higher jurisdictional principle. Admiralty law recognizes that no valid contract can arise from fraud, threat, or lack of full disclosure. This doctrine invalidates many state-imposed obligations. Footnote: contracts formed under duress or fraud are voidable under equity and Admiralty remedy. Coercion is not contract, and fraud is not law. In the next section, we reveal how state-created legal fictions collapse under the light of perfected equity. Contracts signed in fear are not law. Coercion nullifies consent, the equity rule. Trapped by fraud? Equity has a backdoor. You can't contract away your rights. Even if you did. Admiralty's hidden lifeline, remedy under duress.